Do you need to find out how to update the two clocks on your Jaguar XF? Then check out this video. Hi guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I'm sat in a 2014 Jaguar XF and I'm going to show you how to update both clocks on the car. So by both clocks I mean the one just in the middle of the dashboard there, which is shown kind of flickering on my screen just because of the LED refresh rate, and also the one on the central entertainment screen just up there in the right hand corner. Now we are quite lucky on this car because both clocks are actually synchronized, and by synchronized I mean you only have to update one and it actually updates them both. So nice and simple to do. You're actually going to use the central entertainment screen, and there's two ways of getting onto the clock menu. There's obviously going over to the setup button at the top there, and then we're going to go to system, and then we can go to clock adjust there, and that actually takes us to this menu, and I'll show you the shorter way to get there in just a second. So nice and simple to do. So say if we're going to put the clock 2 hours forward and maybe 2 minutes forward as well, and then we're just going to go ahead and hit set. Once you hit set, that's actually updated the time there, and it's already updated the time in the center of the dashboard there. Just to show you that quicker way to get to the menu, so just imagine we're on a different screen like that, and we're just going to actually go ahead and tap on the clock like that, and I'm just going to show you back to and back to just to get us to the original time. You can obviously adjust from 12 hour to 24 hour as well, and then we're going to go ahead and hit set, and that's put both clocks back to that time for me. So there you go, nice quick simple video for you today. But if you found that video helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.